Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install Roshade for Roblox on your Windows PC guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. First, to download Roshade for Roblox on your PC, open up Chrome. Just need to search for you just need to search for Roshade download. Click on the official Roshade website. You just need to click on the free download option and download it guys. It will be redirecting you to download page. It will be show you skip option over here guys. You just need to wait for 5 to 6 seconds to get this skip option. Click on the skip and it will be automatically downloads up. You just need to click on it and install it guys. If you already having Roshade, you just need to click on uninstall and uninstall it guys. After that you just need to install it back. I'm first time installing it guys. Click on install. Two key settings, one is opening and closing shaders and another one is opening and closing the Roshade panel. Choose the key settings you prefer and click on next. Just need to click on next again. Click on next. Now click on close and follow. You will be redirected to Roblox homepage and now you can play Roblox. It will be running in the background. Now you can use the toggle switch F8. You can turn the shaders on or off anytime, and you can also customize them more with the Roshade panel by pressing the F7 keys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.